Howdy folks, Nathan Adlin here with the Fast Lane Truck, and look at this, a 2008 Ford F-350. Now what's it doing here? Well, we're at Bandimere Speedway and it's going to take on Run What You Brung. That's right, it's going to go on the drag strip and that's coming up next.
What I've done so far is I got the EGR delete, I got the hot and cold side intercooler pipings, and I got the AFE cold air intake. I did the SCT tuner.
So what kind of tunes are you running, or what can you select between?
I can select between 50, 80, 100, 200, 250, and 300, and then 350.
So those are additional horsepower.
Additional horsepower, yes. Okay. The farthest I've ever gone so far is 250. Since I've changed the gears in the rear end, I have so much torque that if I launch, I'll just sit there and roast the tires.
Right.
So what I've done is I put my slip tank in the back, fill it full of fuel. That gives me an extra 800 pounds. I got my toolbox, that gives me another 100 pounds. So I got about 900 to 1,000 pounds in the bed of my truck to keep my tires on the pavement. I'm hoping for way under 15.
Oh yeah, like what?
I'm hoping for around 14.2.
14.2?
Yeah.
So here's the bet. You'll get TFL Truck swag if you can come within 0.2 seconds of that. So 14.2, 14.4, or back at 14 even, you win.
Your start?
It was horrible. It gave me no time to boost.
Okay.
So we're gonna go for round 2 and we're gonna stage together. Okay. That'll give us a little more time to boost.
Well, I got an ATS Aurora 4000 turbo here. Their ATS manifold. Got a stage 2 Banks cold air intake. Then we got the Banks intercooler, which is double the size of a stock intercooler. We got the Banks Power Flow Max. That helps out a lot with all the air. Then throughout the truck, we got Edge Juice with Attitude. We have a 110 horsepower injector, stage 2 transmission with the 5-star torque converter. We also have a built ATS rear end.
Okay, so do you know what kind of power you're putting out? I mean,
right now we're pushing about 650 horsepower and close to 1,000 foot-pounds of torque.
So tell us, how'd it go?
Horrible, horrible. The first launch, I didn't have time to boost. I had to go with no boost.
Yeah.
The second one, I boosted way too much and my front end started hopping, so I lost time there.
So what was your best time?
My best time of right now is 14.9.
14.9. Not quite the 14.2 you wanted, huh?
Nope, not really.
Not quite. Well, I'll tell you what, you're a good sport, so we're gonna give you the hat anyway. You got
awesome.
Some swag from TFL Truck. And if you guys wanna come down to Run What You Brung, don't forget to contact us. First of all, go to tfltruck.com for news, views, and reviews, and there is a contact section there where you can talk to our guys, and who knows, maybe you come on down and try to win some swag yourself.
I'm so excited for springtime in Colorado. I really want to take my boat on the lake.
Oh, it's great, it's warm, it's time to have fun. Oh, I thought that was a snowball. That is a boat?
It is a boat.
Okay, well, we've got some maintenance we got to do. I got the RV there too, and we want to get ready so we can have fun and not have problems when we get to where we're going.
That's right, it's never that easy, right? We got to prepare our trailers for summer. And the top tips on how to prepare your trailers is coming up right now.
Now it's spring and you want to go camping. Well, if you did things right last winter, you winterize your whole water system. And that basically means draining the water, all your tanks, your freshwater tank, your gray tank, your black tank. And then you get this RV antifreeze. This is what you want to use. You don't want to use regular antifreeze. Regular antifreeze, propylene glycol, will make you go blind and do other funny things to your body, so you get the right kind of stuff. This is drinkable. You want to drink a lot of it, but that's what it's for. And